Many instructions. Please adhere to social distancing. Please avoid handling shoes unnecessarily. All shoes are regularly sanitized. So yeah guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're in the shopping mall again, the center. Subscribe, we'll take you along as we do some shopping. Hey guys, I found a bit muffled, but that's because I'm wearing a mask. That's the new life we live in. Wear masks inside the mall. Yeah, we're gonna have fun. Yeah, it's coronavirus, so obviously you can see the masks. We have colorful fun masks, so that's good. Giselle is learning how to use her heelys. Yeah, so she's slowing us down. Well, yeah, I want to buy some stationeries for school and some socks, sweats, and maybe a couple of school bags. Very soon, Jessie will join you, okay?
What, Primark? We're not going to Primark.
We're going to
maximum one person.
Except family members, because it's an enclosed space. They are really ready for this thing. You can't try things on. You can't touch things. No, you can touch things, but you can't try things.
You guys press the thing.
Is this children? No.
We're still on the ground.
Yeah, very typical. I like the elevator mirror.
Oh, I like feeling when you go up, you feel you can go up.
Yeah.
I like feeling when you just go up, you feel it.
Can you feel it?
Oh, I
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Jamie cannot just stand still. Many instructions. Please adhere to social distancing. Please avoid handling shoes unnecessarily. All shoes are regularly sanitized, so you can't touch them except you're buying them. So keep your hands to yourself. That's the new life. Did you say knee-high socks? Yeah? I look for it then. I think I'll get this pack for JCL because she likes things like this. Is that it? Look at the size. Make sure it's your size. And then we need a pack of just whites. Jaden, look for whites for yourself. You use tights, but you don't need any. Pajamas that look like it's an outfit. Very cute.
11 to
What the hell is
11
it?
plus, but
No, you don't need a long floor. It's going to be like tights. You need something smaller.
yeah, I can't.
That
Mom,
now.
I cannot press
You didn't
that
bring the
right
list where you guys station.
Yeah, kinetic sand. You're always pouring it everywhere.
this-
Shopping in a pandemic. It's different. Yeah, you can't try on things. You can't really touch things in the shop, even to feel for it. You just need to look at it. Stay away from each other. Only one person in the lift and things like that. It's crazy. And you have to wear masks, obviously. Sanitize your hand before you get into the shop when you're leaving as well. Love to check out accessories. Can't come to the shop without us checking out accessories. Jaden is bored on this aisle, but I'm excited. Look at that. I saw this beautiful one with my initials and I feel like getting it. And it's just £1.50. How cheap is that? But look at how glittery it is. This one is gorgeous because you get a set with different types. Now wait and get the sanitizer. This is the new life. You have to follow the arrows. If you're going this way, stay on this side. And if you're coming, you say, Jamie, you're on the wrong side of the road. If you walk on that side, you'll be walking the wrong side. It can't be the same because they're different shops, but take maybe 2 of those. Do you even need highlighters, guys?
Well, only for like the comprehension.
I think somebody needs a transparent ruler. This book has your name written all over it.
I'm gonna go and check out
It's a
now.
bubble spade.
Bubble spade. Yeah, you can check out. Do we need this for badminton? Badminton people, do you have shuttlecocks?
We don't have our own, but our own.
And it's just a pound.
Yeah.
No?
They've
They-
got really big points.
So they're not good.
Small ones.
Oh, really?
These are.
I didn't know there was a difference.
These ones.
I learn every day.
Sorry.
Apple maths.
Yeah.
If we were going on holiday, we would need that. I should just buy it now because when we want to go, these summer things will not be in store again. So every store you enter, face covering, hand sanitizer, social distancing,
Can I get one of these?
everything. Is
I
this
really like
one?
these stainless ones.
Jenna, do you have a bottle?
Oh, it's £14.
Mine might be in the car, but it can't be home.
Right. I love this one.
That's exactly what I want.
Gorgeous. Oh, this is nostalgic. This is the mustard that we use though. Yeah, right? Really? This is Nigerian mustard.
When
This
I
is
was doing
exactly
the-
the way it is in this case.
This is one that I'm wondering.
And then you have something at the top. Yeah, you have the
I saw
timetable
someone
thing.
with it.
No, that lab, there's a lab thing.
Yeah, there's formulas or something on
No, not
timetable
formula.
inside.
No, there's
Oh,
one
yeah,
that's
this thing! Oh my god!
Then there's one that has a
See
lab.
the excitement.
There's
It
one
reminds
that
me
has
of
a lab.
primary school and secondary
There's
school.
one that has a lab thing.
I used
that
to
you
love
can
this
use
thing,
to
Jaden. I'll
draw.
write my name with this stencil thing, and it used to be so exciting. Anybody that remembers this, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm sure a lot of my Nigerian subs will remember this. Sleep in the sweetie aisle. That's not what we're. Washable marker. That's interesting.
Mom, there's an ugly doll storybook.
Oh, Jenna, this is cute. You have costumes already.
Mom, I want this one. It has
Which one?
a cat behind it.
Yeah? Okay.
Ah.
And there's something else that I fancied. See that? No, see this one. Oh, see this one. Yeah.
That one.
No, this stands. Can imagine outside our house, we put a nice flower in there, and the two of them is just buy that one.
Mom, I can stop.
So usually most shops will tell you not to touch anything, but these guys got a different system. They put like this cling film thing, so you can try it on. You can feel this chair, and I bet they're gonna change it every hour or so, or wipe that down. Because you can't wipe
That's kind of like the cake that Jaisal had.
the what?
The cake that Jaisal had.
Yeah.
And her shoes.
Yes. So they want us to use disposable socks before we try on shoes. And there's the socks.
See the opening.
Yeah, but they're disposable. They're not supposed to give you fancy socks.
Oh, that's the bottom.
Right. You're gonna stay there, and I'll leave you in here
No, not forever.
and go home.
It's so warm. You
Bye.
can even sleep here.
Yeah, it feels they're really, the throws are very nice. I should get one more.
I'm taking this one.
Because when I got mine, I couldn't find another matching one.
I'm taking the
But they have the color. I love ochre or mustard. Look at this one, Jaden. Feel this one.
Oh, feel this one, Mom. It's so fluffy.
That's so good. Give me your hand. So basically, Asda, one of the biggest shops, we thought they didn't have hand sanitizer station, but they did. It was actually outside on the other side, but we didn't see it. It's not stationary. It should be right in front of the door, but it's by the side of the door. So yeah, that's the shopping experience during the pandemic. That's what it is. It is what it is. We're out now, so I can take off my mask because I need to breathe. It's crazy. It's so stressful. You feel like I don't like masks because I'm a bit what do they call it? Claustrophobic. I feel a bit claustrophobic sometimes. But yeah, we're done. Please subscribe. It should be the end of this vlog. Some shops have their shit together. Some shops don't, as you can see, but most of the shops, you know, they're well organized. They have everything laid out. They have hand sanitizers. Like Aldi has traffic lights outside the shop, which is so impressive. What is it called? Plastic rug. Plastic rug. Reversible plastic rug. This is Nigerian mats. You saw this mats? Nigerian mats. Wow, the big one and the small one. And guess how much it is? £25. That's crazy. Well, it's lovely day. I'm sure they will love it here.
Looks like a bar.
Yeah, it's an outdoor bar. It's lovely, right? Oh, it's nice. As I say, I like it too. You're serving cocktails and mocktails just by where my hot tub, close to my hot dog. It's gorgeous. And then you put the mats. See, you can put all your drinks here. It's got places for glass. Yeah, let's buy it. Let's buy it. Well, this is something else I'm quite interested in. This garden set. But once we finish doing our lawn, I'll come for this garden set and the big umbrella, the bar, and maybe a swing chair. But so far, because we're still working on the garden, I'm just gonna take, we've got this paddling pole because our other paddling pole got deflated for some reason. Got a couple of paints and charcoal for the barbecue. I look stupid in this mask, and it actually makes me feel like I can breathe, so I don't wear it, even though mine has a filter. Anyway, we're almost done here. See what I said? Corona stove. That's interesting. Well, it's just, I think it's just a cooler where you can put your ice and your drinks inside. Boy, what a name! What a well, that's so apt. What a coincidence! It's called Corona. I wouldn't want to buy that. Look at the kind of thing we did for our crafts. And see, here is about £14. So yeah, you can go to our craft video and see how to make these and save yourself £14. So easy with yarn and glue. We're looking for pendant lights now. Rustic old map kind of wallpaper is in. This is good for a study. This one is velvety. Oh, choices. There's so many gorgeous wallpapers. I can't even choose. Anything catching your eye? Because it's not just me in the room. You have to see. You have to see it every day. Look at that. It feels like a damask fabric. Yeah, that's just where they were plumb like this, and it actually looked velvety. So we use that dye gele if we have any extra. You see this one for the J sitting room. Grey. Going because only a particular amount of people are allowed into the shop at one time. So with the traffic light, when it's green, you know, you can go in, and when it's red, you have to wait for somebody to come out so that you can go in. Okay, but yeah, different shops have different system. That's the end of this vlog. If you like it, yeah, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it. Click the subscribe button. Till next time, keep living, loving, and laughing. Bye. Do you guys like the cake? Yeah. Is it coconut inside? Just a bit like there's coconut inside. Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, after attacking Dad. It's nice.